Hello, this is Mystica, and today I'd like to announce everybody that I am a motivational speaker. Anybody can actually be a motivational speaker. All you have to do is just focus in your mind, just on that day or just on that particular time, that you are actually a motivational speaker. As long as you live, as long as you can talk, as long as you can act, you can possibly do anything that you wanted to do. You can possibly be anyone as you wanted to be. Because every day, you are the one who is in control of your destiny. Every day, you are the one who is in control of your brain. You know exactly what you want in your life. All you have to do is follow that intuition, follow your brain, follow what you want to be. And you don't know that in just one moment like that, you can be what you wanted to be in that particular moment. Like I've said, I am now a motivational speaker, and because that's what I wanted to be. If I focus in my brain that right now I am what I am a motivational speaker, and you could too. If you focus in your brain that there is a certain characteristic that you wanted to portray on that particular time, you can be what you wanted to be. It's just like acting. You see, if somebody said you have to portray this role, for sure you're not going to portray anybody else. You're not going to portray like a singer or like a model or whatever, but you are going to portray that role as whatever was assigned to you. Right now, I am portraying a role of a motivational speaker to motivate you, because I've done a lot of things in my life that, as you notice, everything that I do, especially my singing, I am the one in control. I am the one who is in control of what I wanted to do at that particular moment. If I wanted to be naughty, I can be naughty. If I wanted to be sexy, well, I can be sexy, because that's the role I am portraying at that moment. You see, I don't know if what is your passion. I don't know if what's the kind of job that you have at the moment, but if you focus to yourself that this is what I wanted, and you can do it, anybody can do it. Just like me. If I focus right now that I am a motivator, I am acting as a motivator myself, because that's what I am doing at this point. I wanted to motivate everybody that no matter what you are, no matter who you are, no matter what you do, you can be the person that you wanted to be on that particular moment. It's just a matter of focus. It's just a matter of doing what you are portraying at that particular point. It's just a matter of doing the role, doing the characteristic of that role, so you can be that person. If you wanted to be successful in life, you have to focus in yourself that you are successful. Right now, if you think that you are successful, you can be as successful as you wanted to be right now. All you have to do is just feel it. It's not just the intellectual thing, but it's your passion. It's your emotional feeling. You have to put in your brain, and you have to put with your emotions that right now you are very successful, because you are. Nothing is impossible. Right now, I could feel that I am very, very successful, because that's what I feel, because that's what I believe. And you always become what you believe. If you put in yourself that you are somebody, and nobody can stop you for that. Nobody will, because you are the only person who can actually control your destiny. Nobody else can ever stop you. Nobody else can ever dictate you. Nobody else can ever say, hey, you are just portraying somebody but you are not. So in order to let them believe that you are doing something or you are portraying something that you are, you have to believe in yourself too. You have to make sure that you are the first one who would believe that you are that person. Otherwise, nobody would believe you. I am what I am, and I am what I become. I believe that I am who I am. I believe that I can be what I wanted to be, and nobody else can ever stop me. As a motivational speaker, I am here to tell you about what I feel. I am here to tell you about what you need to do. I am here to tell you what you need to know and how you can motivate yourself of who you want it to be. Because the number one who can only manipulate you is your brain and nobody else. No one can ever be what you want it to be if you cannot motivate yourself first, or if you cannot manipulate your brain first, that you can do that. I'm sure that anybody can be whoever you want it to be as long as you go for it. You cannot say, I can't, because everything that you wanted to do, you have the power to do it. You have the power to say, yes, I can do it. I can make it. I can be what I wanted to be. So right now, you have to start to focus. This is the time that you have to start. It's not tomorrow. Because today is the day that you can change. First of all, if you want to believe that you are that person that you wanted to portray, you make sure that you have to dress for it. You have to make sure that you have to think like one. You have to make sure that you show to everyone that you are that one. Otherwise, nobody can believe you. Otherwise, nobody can follow you. You have to make sure that you are showing what you are at that moment.